Good afternoon, everyone. God is so good that He gave us eyes, physical eyes, to see the world around us, to see what is beautiful and ugly, to see and wonder at the beauty around us, as well as what is not so beautiful around us. And you don't need to train your eyes for that. Right away, your eye will see the tree, will see the people, will see everything, will see a beautiful face, will see an ugly picture, whatever it is, the eye automatically sees material things, physical things. But God gave us another set of eyes, the eyes of the heart. And with the eyes of the heart, we see what the eyes cannot see. We see beyond what is physical. We see, we feel, we become sensitive to love, to hate, to joy, to sadness, to depression, to excitement. It is with the eyes of the heart that we really get into life itself. But the eyes of the heart need to be trained. When the eyes of the heart are trained, we become sensitive to the beauty around us, and the eye and the heart sees what is the blessings, the love that we receive from God. In other words, when the heart is trained, the heart easily sees God everywhere, around Him, beside Him. Meanwhile, when the heart is not trained, the heart easily sees what is good or what is bad, what is ugly, that. And that's awful, isn't it? And many times, we catch ourselves along this line. We easily see what is wrong with people. It is not easy to see what is good in people. Madali nating makita ang kapintasan ng ating kapwa. Subalit medyo may kabagalan tayo na makita ang kabutihan ng puso at kalooban ng taong iyan. The heart is not easily trained. And maybe this is what the gospel is reminding us today. Jesus went to his town and gave a talk in the synagogue, and people were amazed at his teachings, at his words. Where did he get all this? Galing naman niya. Saan niya kuha to? Saan niya siya nag-aral? But they also saw what is bad, what is ugly in Jesus. Isn't he the carpenter, the son of Mary? Isn't he the son of that woman who got pregnant before living with her husband? A scandalous person? Isn't he the carpenter? In the original Greek word is tekton, not carpentero, kundi yung laborer for hire. Kung may papagawa ka, tawagin mo siya, bayaran mo, yung ganon. Ay, yung arawan lang, yung ganon. And these people are looked down in society. And so when they say Jesus is the carpenter, isn't he just that poor guy who was living at the street corner? Notice, my friend, they mentioned the names of the relatives of Jesus, Joseph, Judas, and the sisters, all the relatives, but they did not mention the father of Jesus. Because the father of Jesus was Joseph. And Joseph was a carpenter, was a laborer for hire. And Joseph was not from Nazareth. Joseph was 120 kilometers away from Bethlehem. Joseph is an outsider. Joseph has no rights to own property in Nazareth. Dayo. Hindi nila kadugo, hindi nila katribo, hindi nila kapamilya. So they did not even mention him. How easily they saw what is good and what is not good in Jesus. but they dwelt. The eyes of the heart only saw what is not good, and they took offense at him. Napikon sila. Paano ba naman itong taong ito ang mangangaral sa atin ngayon? No way! This son of a mother who got pregnant early and the son of a father who is not of our tribe, what rights has he to talk to us? And they took offense at him. Napikon sila sa kanya. Yes, the eyes saw good and bad, but the eyes of the heart only saw what is not good, what is evil. So what happened? They missed God. They missed the Savior. The gospel says he was unable to work miracles there. Jesus was not able to do miracles in his own town. Sayang, isn't it? But because precisely the hearts were closed. Our gospel reminds us maybe of this. All of us fall into this trap that we easily see what is not good, what is evil in our neighbor, and it takes us quite a while to affirm, to see what is good in people. Maybe the gospel challenges us to develop a very simple habit, the habit of appreciation. Appreciating what is good in others. And a habit is a choice, a behavior that I choose to make. You will never develop the habit of seeing what is good in people unless you decide to see what is good in people. Oo, retired na siya. Wala na siyang silbi sa bahay. Pero hindi ba? 40 taong nagtrabaho yan para sa pamilya niya. Yun ang hindi mo na nakikita. Mainitin ang ulo. Kasi naman, naglinis, naglaba, nagluto, lahat kaya. Hindi naman para sa kanya, kundi para din sa atin. That we don't easily see. Appreciating. And it's not difficult to appreciate. You just decide to look for what is good, to look for what is beautiful. And maybe that would be a wonderful prayer during this Mass. Panginoon, buksan ang aming puso. Yung mga mata namin, nakabukas na palagi yan eh. Pero yung puso, tulungan mo akong buksan ang aking puso.